not just a campus.
It's an ecosystem where technology breathes.
A vibrant 23-year legacy where nature meets futuristic infrastructure to inspire innovation.
We question.
We learn with purpose.
Smart classrooms designed for active learning.
Skills are not discovered here, they are built.
40+ hours of training every semester on emerging technologies, shaping future professionals for Industry 4.2 and 5.0 readiness.
Confidence matters.
Preparation matters.
From the first year itself, we empower students with the skills and confidence to become placement-ready professionals.
We prepare. We perform.
And we succeed.
From skill building to career success, every step is designed to create future-ready professionals. With state-of-the-art labs and innovative ecosystems, students gain hands-on exposure to emerging technologies, transforming ideas into solutions for the world of tomorrow.
We explore endless knowledge.
A fully automated central library with 77,000 plus books and advanced digital resources, empowering research, learning and innovation.
We play with passion.
From pickleball court to the gym floor, we push our limits every day.
Innovation, creativity, leadership, adventure. With 21 plus vibrant clubs, there is always a place to belong and a reason to grow.
Here, every event is a chance to learn, lead and celebrate.
From tech fests to cultural extravaganzas, from celebrations to celebrity nights, every event transforms the campus into a vibrant space of creativity, culture and unforgettable experiences.
Are you ready to evolve? If yes, come to IIST Group of Institute.
This is IIST Indore.
Evolve better at Indore Institute of Science and Technology.